We want to let you know how to say good morning in most difficult languages in the world. So we are starting now, baby.
So we are starting with Chinese. How to say good morning in Chinese.
Zhang Shang Hao.
Repeat again.
Zhang Shang Hao.
Yeah. So we are going to Arabic. How to say good morning in Arabic.
Sabah al-Kar.
You can repeat.
Sabah al-Kar.
Okay, now we are going to Japanese. How to say good morning in Japanese.
Ohio. Ohio.
So now we are going to Korean. How to say good morning in Korean.
Annyeonghaseyo. Haseo.
Now we are going to Thai. How to say good morning in Thai.
Swasli Tang Chan Chan.
You can repeat again.
Swasli Tang Chan Chan.
I hope you learn something from our video. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
Tomorrow we are coming with another one. We want to start with the difficulties.
Yeah.
The most difficult languages in the world. After that, we are coming to our African difficulties languages in Africa.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Bye.